Hi guys, welcome to my burping channel. Well, I'm on a business trip at a hotel and I can't burp too much. As you see, there's a total mess and I don't want my neighbors to hear me thinking I'm unwell. But still, I swear I'll burp right now for you. It's for you. The other thing that's life without burping and farting would be pretty boring. Like a few years ago, I could fart like on demand. Everybody was surprised as I could fart at any time. They said, "Can you fart?" And I said, "Yes, I did that." Now I think my bowels got better or worse because I can't do it anymore. But later, I swear, I'll have a film for you with both burping, puking, and farting. See you guys.